Get ready with me to go retrieve my eggs. I'm lucky that I only had to do it for 11 days, but it was still a very, very long emotional journey. And I'm someone that doesn't even get like period mood swings. So I went into this thinking that I'm going to be completely fine. I'm not going to have those emotional, mood swings. And nope, I was very wrong. I'm going to use a little bit of this Lancome for areas that my hormonal pimples were growing and I just want them to go away. You're literally injecting yourself with crazy hormones and they're all just trying to like harvest eggs in your system. And these are things that your hormones don't naturally produce. Today is finally my egg retrieval day, which means I have to be at the hospital by 9. My procedure is at 9:30 and it should be over in half an hour. But I'm so nervous as someone who's never gone through anesthesia. I'm taking the big gun out today because after the surgery today, I know I'm not going to want to move at all. I probably don't even want to like wash my face. So I need something to just truly hydrate my skin all day long. So there it is. Always pull it down to your neck. I'm walking to my clinic today, so there's no way I'm not using sunscreen. So wish me luck today. I hope I get enough eggs so I don't have to do this again.